Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is PLSD. At this elementary period, I'm coming up on here because I wanted to keep my concentration on my speaking, which is really an enjoyable fact to me. So please keep your eyes from first till the end because your company plays a vital role on my going. That's why every single time I need your help, and I believe every time you guys always ready to give me your beloved company. Here is no any confusion, here is no any issues. So dear people, in this video I'm going to turn one topic about spoken English. Many of you may be so much worried about learning English, but although you want to get a proficiency in English, but most of the time it is not possible. But why it is not possible? Actually, today I really remembering one story of my past time when I super excited for learning English, but due to numerous difficulties it was not possible. But when I think strongly about my learning English at that time, I had taken a proper decision and so many guidelines by which I have to pass my every single day, obviously with my daily practicing. So that's all I did in my last time, and this time of which I'm passing, it is not actually exceptional than that, because this time I'm also utilizing my time for my improvement, and this really going so good, as well as I can understand my improvement. So why so late? It also possible by you, and you can. Okay, just need a willpower and just need a confidence level, because you people most probably fantasized about learning English, but due to proper schools, due to so many guidelines, it is not possible. But I am here, and I'm here for delivering my all experiences, whatever I have actually after struggling a long time for learning English. So don't be concerned, just try to give your focus on my channel, and try to hear my YouTube words, whatever I am used to delivering to you. So, dear people, spoken English always so important, especially in this digital period. It's a value just amazing, and there is no any sector that related with English beside of Bengali, because as a Bangladeshi people, Bengali is our mother tongue. But beside, if you wanted to admit yourself in a smart job or in somewhere which you considered good or better to you, that time you must be taking English. You have to speak in English. That's why the importance of spoken just indispensable for our daily life. And at this part of my speaking, I'm going to tell you some tips by which you can pass your day with your regular practicing. Actually, it's not actually different at all. Because if you want, everything is possible. If you don't want, nothing is possible. So in this way, you have to do one thing, that is, you have to be patient and you have to be hard working person. Every single day you have to give your little time on the practicing, and day by day you have to increase that time. I know you can, because your confidence level is so high, and your each of works are just amazing. That it is not actually different, or it is not actually difficult or something. So try to utilize your time without bothering other so many unnecessary speech, so many unnecessary opinions or thoughts, so many things. Each of things are just garbage thing without your improvement. So that's all something for this video. I hope you got a little idea about spoken English. So if you if you are able to get little idea, then from today you have to start your journey. And I hope a sunshine career, a sunshine moment about learning English waiting for you. Just need a little time, what is possible by you. So try every single day, try to involve yourself in practicing, and always believe that you are going to do well in English very soon. Goodbye, thanks for watching. I inviting you to my next video, what is going to come tomorrow or the next day. So dear people, I already reached at the last part, and before going or before leaving this place, my every single day request, or my humble request to you, that if you still now not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you have opinions and thoughts, you can share with me by shooting comments. So do this. Goodbye and take care.